Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about ignition module for Imperial part number 37061. 50. The Imperial part number 3706150 ignition module is a replacement part for the Imperial line of gas furnaces. It is designed to provide reliable ignition for the furnace, ensuring that it starts up and runs properly. The module is made of durable materials and features a high-quality design that ensures it will last for many years. It is easy to install and comes with detailed instructions for a successful installation. The module also includes safety features such as an overtemperature protection circuit, which helps to prevent the furnace from overheating. This part fixes the following symptoms. The ignition module for Imperial part number 37061 is designed to fix issues with a vehicle's ignition system, such as a no-start condition, hard starting, or engine misfires. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable from the battery. 2. Locate the ignition module on the engine block and remove it using a socket wrench. 3. Install the new ignition module using a socket wrench and tighten it securely. 4. Reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery and start the engine to test that the new ignition module is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.